Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Today we have Hyundai Sonata and we have, do you have the oil piece you change it or you don't have nothing?
No, I don't have.
This car, the knock sensor was being replaced, and still the first one when he replaced it, okay, first you hear there is a muffler and the check engine light is blinking. And the knock sensor, okay, go to the VIN. I want to check the car. We have a code for knock sensor. We need to know what we need to do, what kind of code is there, and what is the solution. So, okay. The knock sensor is a sensor that located in the engine, Hyundai US, and the job is to listen to the engine while you're driving. If there's any change or any load in the engine, it may send signal to the computer to add more fuel or to adjust the way of performance function. What happens if one of the symptoms on this car, I gotta go complete diagnose, is that when the knock sensor is bad, you have to replace it. If wiring is no good, you have to replace it. If the sensor also is no good, you have to replace it. I'm going to see how it is. You see the engine, I have 2 faults. Airbag, I have 2 faults. Even though I can't see no airbag light. So what we need to do now is look at the report. I have 6 faults. You see airbag, engine, and occupant classification system. So the engine have fuel pressure regulator, P00900. And also P1326 active knock signal range. Wow. Also we have history of passenger airbag, telltale lamp failure. You know this car have a lamp here. Anytime you turn the ignition off, on, it's supposed to work. I don't know why. And also ignition voltage low, airbag control ACU communication error. I don't know what does that mean, but let me go back and see why that code is there for the next sensor. Trouble code, that's the code here. Okay, I don't need this one. I want to see the data. I want to see the knock sensor data. Before I change everything, you see here the pressure sensor map, water temperature, I'm gonna close the door because of the reflection. For the interior light, okay, now engine oil temperature, fuel tank pressure PSI, okay, fuel tank pressure, okay, mass air built in, fuel, brake, catalytic, AC switch, AC compressor on by ECU, synchronization of crank and cam is okay, engine is good, auto sensor is good, knock sensor. Okay, I see something here. The knock sensor is not responding. Okay. AC pressure is 100%. I put the AC on. AC go to what? 144, 150, which is good. And here AC pressure voltage. Let me turn it off. You're gonna see how it go down. This have to go down, pressure go down, voltage also go down. Okay, now okay, give gas for me, give a little gas. That's it. One more. Yeah. That's one of the reasons. Here. Now come. Okay. Regarding this car, hold on. Hyundai Sonata. This is the engine, size 4-cylinder. And the problem is that you have a knock sensor code. And this knock sensor code, if you have in this car, you can change it. Sometimes need software update. Yes, no problem. You can update the software. But before you go to that, please listen to the engine. If you have a muffler leak, that it will create a problem like that. Also, if you have an engine knocking noise, like bearings or anything in the engine, because the knock sensor job is to listen to the engine. Like if you are going to the mountain or driving and you put load in the car, the way you walk, it may ask the computer to add fuel or to compensate some movement for performance. But in this particular car, the sensor was being changed twice. We have a muffler noise, but not only muffler noise, we have engine knocking. We have 2015 or 2016, I believe unlimited mile, 10-year warranty, 10 years warranty for the engine. So please, if you have a noise in the engine, in this car here, the engine is no good. The engine itself is, no matter what you change, you cannot solve this problem because you already hear the engine is if you start it. So the problem with this car here, engine is not good. You cannot change, no 100 crank cassons, they will not work. Contact your dealership, give them the mileage, give them the year model of the car. This is 2015, 10 years means that still you have 1 year left. See if you will be able to, they will be able to take care of it for you without spending money. The only thing that you have salvage history. I don't know if that can drop the warranty or not, I am not sure. But the engine have a warranty from the dealer. Thank you for watching, and always try to be sure that the oil, everything is okay. I'll see you in another video. This is Mohamed. Thank you.
Okay.
Now you are a good video recorder.
Woo, so
Yeah.
now we have to change the engine.
You hear it when you give gas. You hear cuck at the depth. That would provoke the crank sensor. The knock sensor to send signal back to the computer. Look, add how. But when it's become the request is more, they say look something wrong.
Oh goodness.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.